What do you make of the figure of 22 veterans a day? That seems incomprehensible.
It should seem incomprehensible. You know, that's the thing, is that I feel like every morning when I wake up and I turn on the television, my news anchor locally and nationally, the first thing and the last thing that they need to start their news broadcast with is 22 veterans were lost last night at their hands. 22 veterans will be lost today at their own hands. Larry, this is a country where 1% of the population protects 99%. You're telling me that it's not worth it out of us, the rest of the 99, to stand up for that one? And all you have to do is just make the civilian population aware of what's going on, because a lot of them don't know.
Did music help you, the fact that you had talent and could turn to that?
It really did. When I learned to use songwriting as a tool, and I think we all have tools, whether you can write songs or poems or just write it down, or talk. It's a form of of expression. So it's getting it out.